So Mamelodi Sundowns has just lost their match on CAF Champions League, which means they are still remaining on number 2. And last time I checked, most of our fans were Mamelodi Sundowns, well, they were complaining about Williams. And as you all were actually complaining about Williams, I don't know how come you thought it was like Onyang was gonna be doing better, but you can't be blaming Into. The goalkeepers, the defenders also, they could have done better. The midfielder also could have done better. And yeah, man, Lupopo is just behind with the game on hand, but also my games on hand, they don't mean anything, which means Uti Lupopo can be sitting on number 2 by tomorrow, and Mamelodi Sundowns might be sitting on number 3. The macro stages lower, and it is a thing, Uti. Still, it is a must, Uti, like Bantu qualify, since it is like a big team. So, yeah, man, tell me what you think. Disappointing results away. Let's see if like they're gonna be doing better anytime soon. And yeah, man, things are not looking that bad if like we're being honest. But yeah, let's hope they're gonna be qualifying and getting to our knockout stages. And yeah, thank you.